What's up guys? Okay, so this last trade was a trade I got into after the stream ended. I just wanted to walk you all through it so you could see how I ended the day. I'm in the beautiful Michigan right now doing some outside trading, and so thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enjoy this video. Alright guys, so I am in CRON now, CRON. I decided to get back in because it flushed all the way back down below this 93 level, and so I can kind of stick to this 16 level now, which is the whole dollar, and might be a little bit more solid of a risk level. We'll see, very small trade all things considered, and I'll see if it works out. Alright, so we're down to 91, it's looking a little bit better, and like I said, I don't mind necessarily kind of scaling back into this one a little bit bigger, now that we do have some confirmation in it. Alright, so I'm in with 500 shares. I like this one now, looking for it to come back down and test the bottom of that range. Alright guys, so we got it down to 85 here. I'm looking for it to get down to 82 where I can take some off. I'll probably end up taking 200 off there. So I took 200 off. Currently still holding 300 shares of CRON. Like I said, with my average now is 89.5 still, so we're gonna look to see if we get that full breakdown that we're looking for here. Acting a little bit unpredictable today, but at the very least it should at least take some of this loss off from the day and give me a solid green trade in the books, and so that's what we're looking on. Alright, so like I said, I did add another 100 shares to this position. One of the things I talk about is that when a stock puts in a really obvious high and then washes out after that, then I'm super confident in its weakness, and that's what you see here with CRON. It put in this really obvious high at 16, and then it came all the way back to the bottom of this range down to 1580, and so at this point I'm actually really confident in this trade, and so I did add to it my full sizing now. I'm going to go ahead and add another 100 shares, so my full sizing now is 600 shares, and like I said, the goal is to see if it can wash out down to 78. If it can wash out down to 78, I'll be really happy with this trade, and so I'll be sure to update you all and see how that goes. Alright, so we did have that breakdown down to 84, which is great. We're going to give it some time, though. It's at 85 now. A little bit better breakdown on the bid. You can see it's down to 82 now, and we're going to look to see if it can really wash out here. Like I said, I don't mind holding on to this one. Really confident in its weakness now that it came back down to the bottom of the range after putting in that really self-evident high up there at 16. And so I'm just going to give this one time, see if it can break down a little bit more and, make me a little bit more money from this trade is what I'm looking for. Alright, so there's 81s. I'm going to go ahead and take 200 shares off there at 81. I'm still holding $22 in profit in this trade, and I'm still holding 400 shares. You can see me how kind of I manage this trade. I'm actually green on this trade now. It's down to 81. I'll give it a little bit of time to really break down here, and really I don't mind taking another 100 off actually here. I'll go ahead and take another 100 off. And so I'm just holding half of that initial position of 600 shares. I'm now holding 300 shares, and ultimately I'm looking for this to really break down here under these lows. It's down to 80, so it's not looking too bad. Now, really, like I said, I want to see it down to 75. If it can get down to 75, I'll take it and try to, maybe finish the day. We'll see what I'm at. Okay guys, so at this point I actually have to go get ready to go to the beach with my family. I am out here in Michigan, so I'm going to set a stop loss and I'll keep the recording going, but I'm going to take down the face cam and just set a stop loss so you all can see how the rest of this trade played out. And so I'll try to narrate over the rest when I do edit this video. But yeah, at this point I'm up on unrealized $17 gain. I've taken enough profits to be fairly comfortable and eliminate a lot of the loss I took earlier, and so I'll be sure to update you all on how this plays out. Alright guys, so after that last bit, I closed my computer and it stopped the recording, but if you look at my P&L here, I ended the day up $6, which I'll definitely take. Before that last trade, I was probably down around $100 in net profit, and so I rebounded some with CRON, and I actually had more losing trades than I did winning today, but because I stuck with good risk-reward ratios, it ended up working out and I ended the day break even. If you're interested in using the same broker and platform that we use, and it's honestly one of the ways I can use such small sizing because commissions are cheap with small sizing on TradeNet. For less than $400, you get 14,000 in buying power to trade with. There's no PDT rules, so you can day trade as much as you want. It also allows you to short anything that's tradable. It comes with a trading course and chat room, like I said, for less than $400. And for new traders, I think that bundle is really useful and allows them to get their feet wet with trading. And if you're interested in checking that out, and it's another another great way to help support the channel. I'll include that link in the description. So thanks for watching, good luck in the markets, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning.